from Resverlogix. What are your current products in development, and do any have the potential to be a disruptive technology in relation to the existing therapies in your field?
Yes, we have three products currently. One is cardiovascular, one is an Alzheimer's product, and one is autoimmune. And the main one is actually the cardiovascular, and it definitely has the ability to be disruptive to the current market. The current market is really controlled by the statin products, where you have drugs like Lipitor and Zocor and Crestor that actually manage the lipid buildup. They stop it from getting worse, but they cannot remove it. Our drug actually removes the atherosclerotic plaque, and it's a very large market.
Yeah.
Currently, it's $35 billion for the atherosclerosis management, and that's shared by only 12 companies, and those are for drugs that create a status quo or making sure the buildup doesn't get worse. We're believing a drug that removes the plaque itself will have quite an impact, quite a change on the market.
So Donald, why don't you let us know how RVX-208 differs from other companies developing products for atherosclerosis, plaque regression, and cardiovascular disease?
Sure. The rest of the market seems to be focused on a concept called CETP.
Okay.
And what they're doing is they stop a filled large HDL molecule, the good cholesterol, they stop it from leaving the system, and they result in a higher HDL level. But that HDL is already filled and is not going to go back in the arterial wall and take out any more plaque. So our approach is to create brand new flat ones that then go in the arterial wall and take the plaque out in the proper reverse cholesterol transport method.
Okay, so what's your current status for the clinical development of RVX-208?
We have two phase 2B trials ongoing right now.
Okay.
It's really quite important for us because most drug development companies, if you're in oncology or central nervous system, you really need robust phase 3 data to get proper valuations from a pharmaceutical company. Whereas in phase 2B, we've literally put a camera inside the patient's heart and prove that we have plaque regression. So it is very much an inflection point for us at the end of phase 2B, which will be in about 1 year only.
What is the involvement of key opinion leaders and stakeholders in your program development?
We've had an enormous inclusion of the global cardiovascular leaders, the key opinion leaders. We are a project being organized with the Cleveland Clinic, which is the top cardiovascular clinic in the United States for the past 16 years. And we've included a lot of key pharmaceutical members on our board of directors. We have people, including the past chairman and CEO of Bayer, past president of Abbott, the head of global research and development from Roche and Boehringer Ingelheim. So we do have pretty much 10 of the top key opinion leaders globally, and we're still adding. There's a lot of people interested in being involved with Resverlogix.
What exactly is the current future of lipid management market?
Well, the market is enormous. I did mention the size of it already. It's a $35 billion market. Now, in comparison to cancer, just so the viewers get an understanding, cancer market altogether, the oncology products, are about $25 billion, and that's shared by 200 companies. So with a product that has plaque regression and currently does not have a competitor even in development, we have about a 6-year head start on all other companies, and there's no shortcut in biotechnology.
No. I can't imagine
it's looking
there would
pretty
be.
good. Yes.